Hi everyone, good day. Today I will be making rosemary and cedarwood. So these two essential oil, I mix them together to create an awesome scent. Okay, these are my base oils, and if you want this recipe, I will add this on the description below. I will put 1 teaspoon of Kaolin clay, and I deduct the water to 3.76 and use coconut milk. So I will mix this together. Okay, and then I'm gonna stick blend this oils. Okay. Now I will add the lye solution. Okay. Then I'm gonna give this a stir. Until I get the medium cheese. Then blend. This is a rebatch, and the first batch that I made before are all sold. I'm gonna add some titanium. Now I'm gonna blend my essential oils, rosemary and cedarwood. Some more. Oh my goodness. I add more titanium. Okay, now I will split this mixture into 3 colors. I have 3 colors: green, some what do you call this, guava de lava, and lavender. Just only a little. I want my base white. Okay. Mix this. Oops. Okay. Okay, I will pour this in my set this aside and do this. I hope this will thicken, heavy texture. Okay, next is my guava color. Okay, that's good. Next, Okay. I'm gonna wait until this become a little more heavy trace. Make this heavy trace before I will add to my mold. This is a nice color. By the way, my base oils are olive oil, organic coconut oil, cocoa butter, and grapeseed oil, and castor oil. So, okay, now I will pour this on my mold. Okay, it's beautiful, it's beautiful. I hope this color will not change until it is cured, because I like it so much. Some of this. More of this. Then I'm gonna give this a tap so that the bubbles will go away. No bubbles. Okay. Ayan ang aking sabon. Rosemary and cedarwood. Okay. So ito ay gagawin ko siyang tatanggal. In the, what they call this, spoon swirl. So gawin natin siyang spoon swirl. Okay. Okay, there. So, umpisahan ko siya dito. Taas. Halukayin siya sa ilalim. Tapos, dalhin siya sa taas. Yan. Yan. Okay. So, isa pa. Okay, dito. Yan. Yan. Okay. Yan. Nag-uumpisa na siyang mag-thick ang aking, and hope no more bubbles. Okay, for the remaining, lalagay ko to sa ibabaw. For the texture later. Kailangan lahat kunin para Walang sayang na sabon. Okay, next. Oops. Ito siya dito. After 48 hours, pwede na itong i-unmold. So, I will show you sa cutting after 24 hours. But usually, 2 days bago ko siya ina-unmold para mas matigas siya at hindi masira yung design. Hindi masira yung shape ng sabon. Yan. Amoy na amoy ko ang strong scent ng rosemary. Rosemary scent yung nangingibabaw na amoy. Okay. Ayan. Tapos, later, after around 5 minutes, lalagyan ko siya ng sa ibabaw, texturing. Let's see kung pwede na. Ay, malambot pa. So, maybe after 5 minutes, lalagyan ko na siya ng design sa ibabaw. So, with that, thank you sa inyong panonood and I hope you like this soap making I did today, and thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe. Bye!